Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be walking you through the process of how I use my to-do planner as I am setting it up for the current week. I use my to-do planner to keep track of all of my to-dos in every single area of my life. So this includes my personal life, my family, health, business, and my church life. In the past, I have had a planner for each and every one of these areas. But for 2023, I am really trying to simplify my process, which includes simplifying how many planners I have. And this makes it much easier for me to stay on top of all of the different sections that I have in my life. So I set up my planner every single week, and I'm keeping track of all of the habits that I want to stay on top of on my sidebar, and I'm using my main planner to brain dump every single thing that I have going on in my life. So I will set up all of my to-dos every single morning, and as you can see, it's a very simple process. I'm just writing out every single thing that I need to do in any area of my life, and allowing myself to brain dump and kind of just jot down all of these different things that I have to do helps me to have everything in one section, and that way I am able to just turn to this one page and I see everything that I need to do. And if I need to do even more scheduling, I will flip to my schedule section and I might schedule a time to do a particular task. But this makes it so much easier for me to stay on top of it all. Okay, so I filled out my to-do list for Monday and a little bit of Tuesday, but that's basically it, because usually I do this part in the morning where I will analyze what I did the day before and basically write what I need to do every single day. And so I'm going to leave it as this, but hopefully you can see how this planner is going to go. My schedule basically tells me everywhere I need to be. This tells me what I need to do, and it does it in more detail. I have all of my habits on the side here. I'm able to check them off as I go. And at the end of the month, I will give myself a score for every single week and then transfer it over to my score for the month. So hopefully that really makes sense and you can get the feel of exactly how I'm using my to-do planner, how I'm using my habit section, and how I'm using my schedule section. But if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video on tomorrow. Until then, keep organizing your life so you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys. Every couple of years or so, I will plan a photo shoot.